driven.co. Okay, this is a tough one to identify. Let's see if you car freaks know what this is. Well, the suspense can't wait any longer. This is a LaDawri Sebring. LaDawri built bodies back in the 50s and 60s in Long Beach, California, of plastic and fiberglass. And they built these swoopy bodies that were designed by Art Center College over here in Pasadena, California. And they made these bodies in a variety of different sizes so that they would fit and work with several different types of chassis and cars and drivetrains. And this one is the Sebring model, which is one of the smaller models. And this one was used to take a regular, ordinary 1959 Volkswagen Beetle and turn it into something rather spectacular. And it is. There's only 5 of these known that are running driving cars. And this one is certainly cool. Porsche cookie cutter wheels. Neat dash. The windshield is really unique. It's the windshield out of a 1957 Chevy pickup truck turned upside down. Gives it that cool, unique shape. This car has a VW engine, twin carbureted, 1600, and it's very light. It is quick. It is definitely quick. Lots of leg room in this car. Bonnet straps in the front. It's just got a great look. It looks like a Italian exotic. It looks like a bunch of different things. But its roots and everything is simply VW. So easy to take care of. Maintenance is not a problem. Economical for sure. And unique styling without question. This car has California title. Pedals are adjustable. Over in here, if you can see what's going on. Cool Jamar pedal setup that moves back and forth. This car runs and drives wonderfully. It is ready for additional electric work to hook up gauges and lighting as you see fit, but you can get in it, turn the key, and drive today. Of course, you got your VW motor, twin carbureted. Quite unique. You won't see another one at the car show, that's for sure. If you'd like to test drive this vehicle, come take a look at it, have some further questions, feel free to get a hold of us over at driven.co. We're located in Southern California, 949-234-6353. Solid pan on this car. And style up the wazoo. I think those are 1954 Olds taillights, if I'm not mistaken. I think the air intake back here on the engine compartment is Citroen. It's really, really unique. Fun car to drive. You can also check us out at driven.co online. Come check it out. You'll want to drive it home.